WFX can actually replace the native WORKFLOWY search box. At least it does for me. Let me quickly walk you through the pluses for using WFX to do your regular WORKFLOWY searching and filtering. The biggest advantage for me is that you can do a pinpointed global search no matter where you are in WORKFLOWY. So you don't have to first go to your home page and then do a global search. Let me show you. So right now I'm on my home page, but I'm going to zoom into this list here. And I'm going to keep zooming in until I get to the bottom. At least 26 lists deep. And now that I'm really quite far from my home page, as you can see in the breadcrumb navigation links, I'm going to activate my WFX prompt and search for the word billion. You'll see that we're looking at an account-wide search for the word billion. Let me come out of search mode. Another reason I like sticking to the WFX prompt to search WORKFLOWY globally is the following. See what happens when I use the WORKFLOWY search box and type in the word billion. If I hesitate, I get an incremental search as you type set of search results. Here you can see I'm searching for the letter B. And now I'm filtering for bill. And finally, billion. Let me come out of search mode. And once again, if I bring up the WFX prompt and type in my search term, billion, the search is only initiated when I hit enter. Some people like WORKFLOWY's incremental search as you type ability. I prefer to stay focused and search for my word or phrase once I'm done typing. Let me come out of search by hitting escape. I'm going to zoom into this list again. Now I'm going to use WFX to filter for my work in progress tag. And here we see a global search for the work I'm currently focusing on. Let me jump back to where I was. So what if you want to do a local search right in the list you're in and not a global search? Here's the trick. All you do is hit your spacebar before you enter your search phrase. So space and cat. And here you'll see that we're only filtering for the word cat in this list that I'm currently zoomed into. Okay, let's come out of search mode by hitting escape. So I'm going to tag this list here quickly. Another thing you can do is select any text or even a tag. And when you activate the WFX prompt, the text is there and you just hit enter to do a global search. Let me backtrack to where I was. Okay, so one more tip to show you before we wrap things up. First, I'm going to come out of full screen mode. And now I'm going to jump to a random website, TE for Tetris, my all-time favorite. And now if I activate my WFX prompt and hit enter, this will take me back to my WORKFLOWY tab. And finally, let me show you what happens when we're in any WORKFLOWY list and we activate the WFX prompt and hit enter. It becomes a shortcut to jump to our home screen.